Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm going to thank someone, and also I would like to show you guys something which I purchased recently, and this is Hohem ISTDM6 kit gimbal. Let me show you guys. This is the one. This is the gimbal. This is the handle, and here we get a AI tracker. So this is the tripod and this is the gimbal. There are many options in the market. When I was about to purchase, there were three options. One was DJI OM6 Insta 360 Flow, and this one. And the reason why I chose this one is there are many features here. I will tell you within few minutes. And before that, going further, I would like to thank Apex Mahindra, which is in Dimapur. They purchased this one for me because this cost 18,000, and to pay 18,000 it was impossible for me. So they helped me, they bought for me. I'm using this one and I'm paying them monthly. So they told me how much you can pay monthly, you can pay. So I was so happy. And monthly I'm paying them, or installment so thank you so much Apex Mahindra Walford for helping me. Itu kini dia karne beshi khushi ase, and isor ra apnian sob staffs khan ge owner ba luina sob ke bless kuri dibi de gone dibi moi laga prayers thakibo. Ita moi apnian ge itu kile kini je kobole mun ase, yate beshi features ase. Ita moi jodi on korole karne itu la press kuri jole tai enega on hui jabo. And একদম স্পেশাল তো আছে ইয়াতে AI tracker ekta ase, etu dikhai di ase moi apnenge. This is the AI tracker. Suppose if I press the side button, moi apnenge dikhai di ase, moi press korne rakhiche bole apnin ba dikhiche ita etu, and even etu color bi change hui jai. Yate AI tracker etu bishi helpful and useful ase. Direct moi la camera laga yate gimbal la opor de apnin ba AI tracker dikhi ase. Itu AI tracker beshi helpful ase. Mobile de ki camera ahe itu han bra direct use korle pare. Holebi DJI and Insta han de do tala app pra hai use korle pare. To quality de degrade hui jai. Itu karone moi itu kinala ase. So ita moi apnin ke dikhai debo. Itu red light ase, itu green hui jabo apni sabi. Moi khali inia kori jole moi track korle start hui jabo. The green hui jaise, and suppose if I keep here also moi follow korbo sabi. Just see. अपने हिला दिखी आसे ना से मैं ऑफ कैमरा जे लिबी हिला तो अपने दिखी आसे. See, and suppose if I sit also tai मुगे ट्रैक करो ते मुगे ट्रैक करो जे, and मैं हाथ इना दिखाई दीजिए बोले तो रेड कलर हो जाए तला लाइट तो. So any features kan thaka karne I bought this one Hohem ICD-M6 individual shoot koram de it bishi help kore. Three times press kori. If I press three times, front camera and back camera de tai shift hui jabo, aru three times press kori jole aru tai nijor la position de ja jabo. And if I press like four times, teta wide angle shots khan lole paro. Ita mobile na thaka karne tai lole na pare. And yeah, easy access features khan yate bishi ase, aru moi don kuisole video bishi lamba jabo. It on short time moi just thank you kole mun ase Apex Mahindra Walford khan ge. And moi tu kina kile kini je moi basically duita reason karne kiniche. First was a AI tracker as a idu moi apni ke kudise, and second was a payload capacity bishi ase, and third was a tai stability dusra loi compare korisile bishi bhal ase, and fourth was a app install nokorle bi Hohem labi app ase holebi without installing the app in my mobile also I can use all the features moila mobile la camera de thakan directly moi itu camera ra he yadala soft features kan moi use korle pare. Holebi alag duita gimbal de do enega noy, I have to install their camera app. DJI la app download korle lagibo, install asole install la camera app download kori na tader ra he use korle parbo. So footage de quality de olop degrade hoy jay. So I chari dije moi du nikini na itu one moi itu he kinala ase, itu he moi share korle mon ase, and I am really satisfied with the product, and my decision to purchase Hohem ISTD M6 kit. So moi the video thank you bole mon ase Apex Mahindra Walford Dimapur khan ge edu kini dia karne. And also I would also like to thank all the viewers for supporting me till today, and I pray that sob manor support koriche bole this year moi 100k pungchi bole mon ase. So please help me to subscribe and to share my videos. Thank you. And apnen bhi jodi camera han kinule confusion hoy ase, mobile kinule confusion hoy ase, nole bhi enia saman khan kinule confusion ase, I can help apnen ke help kole paro. Moi alag channel itono to khulule mun nai, hole bhi apnen modot lagi gole do moi help kori dibo. And mola install id yate ola ase private owner vehicle khan bhi sell korle mola te thake. Apnen kitia lag bhal thakile customer khodam de moi directly dibole paro. Kitiba thake kitiba na thake customer han hole beshi bak thake edu one apnen disi bole do moi apnen ki help korle paro. Kuman ki help korche kuma han ki right on the time moi help korle paro na edu one apnen bi morom korna moge biya na pabe. So that's all. Thank you so much Apex Mahindra Walford Dimapur for helping me to purchase this one. Thank you, and thank you to all the viewers. Thank you.